Ang belief ng karamihan, even Ilocanos for that matter, they think that our language in the Ilocos is a dialect. In fact, it is not, ano? It is not a dialect, it is a language. Pero itong lengguaheng ito, it belongs to the Austronesian group of languages. Itong Austronesian na ito, meron tayong tinatawag na subgroup. Yung subgroup na yan, ito yung Malayo-Polynesian. And this is spoken by a wide range of people. In fact, yung Malayo-Polynesian language or group, it has about from 300 to 500 sub-dialects. But the Iloco, or the Iloco dialect, is not a dialect. In fact, it is a language. Ngayon ito, when the Spaniards came, doon lang nila nalaman na talagang merong Iloco. But then it was not called by the Spaniards Iloco for the first time. Dahil nung tanungin nila ang mga tiga rito, ano yung salita nyo? Ang sagot nila ito yung sa Omidtoy. Ito itipaksa sa Omidtoy. But the Spaniards could not say it very well, kaya ang tawag nila noon ay Samtoy. In fact, even the Spaniards thought that the place was known as Samtoy. Meron din ng mga writers na sinasabi nila that our place, the Ilocos region, ang nagbigay daw ng pangalan ng ating place at saka yung ating race were the Spaniards. In fact, Iloco or Ilocano is not, of course, Spanish. Kasi pag sinabi mong Iloco, very Ilocano ang salitang yan kasi yung I is a prefix meaning people from. Kaya ang mga Ilocano pag sinabi nilang Iloco, people from the lowland. Katulad ng Igorot, Ibanag, Itawis. Kaya pag sinabi mong taga saan ka, ay Siaket, Batak, San Nicolas, Ilawag. So yung I, which is either Y or I, meaning people from. Yung Loco or Look means lowland. Kaya pag sinabi mong Iloco, ayun ay people from the lowland. Kanya lang, mga Espanyol, na dumating na naman sila rito, ginawa tayong Kano. Kaya nagka-doble-doble. Kasi Kano means people from. Like the people from Mexico are called Mexicano. People from America are called Americano. So yung mga Espanyol, ginawa tayong Kano. Kaya Ilocano. So I, prefix meaning people from, Look or Loco means lowland, Kano means people from. So doble-doble, People from the lowland, people from. But anyway, ito yung mga tinatawag natin nuisance ng languages. Popularly accepted na tinatawag nilang Ilocano, okay lang. Kanya lang, to prove na hindi tayo talaga tinawag ng mga Espanyol na Ilocano, in 1513, the first ambassador to China from Portugal by the name of Tome Pires, mahaba ang kanyang account about people from this place na nagpupunta doon sa China, and they were called Iloqués. In other words, mahirap nang i-establish even prior to history kung saan galing yung word na Iloco. But if you will ask me, the people from our place were the ones who called themselves Iloco. We are from the lowlands.